everybody, welcome to a new video. Today is very exciting for us here. Like, well, I say us here, just as I mean me and my friends, like 621 squad, I guess. So Morgan is behind the camera. Hello. And today we're finally going to pick up his S15 that has been in storage for 4 years, 3 years?
Nearly 4 now.
Nearly four years. It's finally ready. It's been built by Jack at Jay's Garage. It's had loads of upgrades. I'm gonna go have a look around it, show you around all the new stuff, check out Jack, see how he's doing. So yeah, let's go. Oh, I should have said, we've trailered it up around.
Oh, I mean...
Bad boy rig check. There it is. Looks sick. Can't wait to get trailer in again. I love being a trucker, me. So yeah, it's gonna be good. Let's go.
Let's get moving.
Sorry to interrupt the video, we're back at the unit real quick. Today's sponsor is me. I'm sponsoring my own video. I want to let everybody know all of the merch is currently on sale. It's going to be the cheapest it's ever going to be. I'm repping one of the shirts here, one of the homebrew ones. Morgan's wearing another one. What one are you wearing? The red 621 Gore.
Bad boy tings.
We'll have a proper look at that in a second. If you want to go check out anything, we've got snapbacks, we've got t-shirts, we've got hoodies, all that stuff starting from like $9.99. Stickers start from £1. So yeah, if you want to support 621, links down below. Thank you very much. Back to the video. So we have arrived, Jay's Garage, one of my favourite places to come and chill. Jack is such a talented builder, cartooner, lot. So he hasn't got a whole lot of stuff here recently because he's also an idiot and fell off a motocross bike and broke his collarbone. But in fact, we'll go in here first because they're chatting. So we've got a big SRT Hellcat. Pretty cool machine. Now I think this is his latest project, R32 GTR. He's going to be completely rebuilding. Absolute monster car once it's done, I think. This is what we're here to pick up. Morgan's S15. I'm so excited for it to be back. We'll have a proper look around that later. And then we've got Jack's. There is cripple, mate. Then we've got Jack's R32 from Abisu back in the day over here. While they're over there talking about the car, we'll head in and check out what's going on in here. So we have got over here a JZ90. We've got a Toyota right here, and it's in for a load of work from what he was saying. Looks pretty spicy, but we won't dig too deep because I don't think it's finished. But look at this. This Hilux or whatever this is up here, another Toyota pickup truck. Looks very, very nice indeed. Big side mount. Oof. Spicy brakes. This has had some money spent on it, this thing. Wow, look at the underneath of this. Quantum suspension as well. Jeez, this man does have money. Very, very nice. And then a 350 up on the ramp. No front end on it. God knows what's happening to that. Then I'm not quite sure what that is up the top there. But it's definitely in bits. And then we've got Jack's Nissan Patrol that I think's got some ridiculous engine in it. Yeah. Big RB. I think these are RB 30 it's going to be, something like that. I don't know. I'll have to ask him. But yeah, mega. Let's go check out Morgan's car. How are you feeling about it, sir?
Hello. We'll see when we get it out on the road. Need to get it MOT'd first. It's a bit weird. Like, it's been basically 4 years since I've actually heard it running. It actually works now. I'm not really too sure what to do with it. I'll drive it?
Yes.
Okay, right, I should probably do that then.
And look at you smiling already. Are you the second that fired up?
Shall we give it a little break?
It smells so good. Look in here, man. I love this car.
It's
this
so
is
dirty inside, though.
Oh my god, I'm too fat for this seat. I forgot about that. Oh my god, it's so uncomfortable. Other than me being too fat for this car now, I was too fat for it the first time I drove it, to be fair.
It is a Japanese spec fucking seat.
Yeah.
I think 32-inch waist.
You might have to go get some like some copper grease to slide me out of this one. So this is the car that I drove that made me end up buying an S15. So thanks for that. Appreciate that pain.
You didn't read the sticker on the dashboard.
Big up UKDMHU. I'm gonna do a lot of content with this car. Hit subscribe and stay tuned. Basically, I can't afford one of these anymore. So we're just gonna use Morgan's as content for the channel. Got big detail coming up, and we're gonna do my Silvia as well at the same time. It's a bit of a Silvia day. Hopefully get mine MOT'd soon as well, so we can get out a little cruise, maybe get out to a meet. This is gonna get MOT'd soon. Have you got any more mods to put on this? Okay, well don't tell everyone what it is. We've got some mods to put on it as well. And then just go out and enjoy them really. They're really cool cars. Morgan's is way more comfortable than mine, being a relatively standard machine. But yeah, it's just great to have it back, and it's just great memories for me because this was the first car. Oh, mate, you're only on 74,000 kilometers.
It's miles.
Miles. Yeah. That's still low as fuck. Man, this is such a beautiful car. So, if you guys can start sharing my videos, giving it a load of love, buying all the merch, put some money in the account, I might buy this off him. So like, this is a car that I want. I'm just putting it out there that I want this car. I want this to be my car, not this seat. He can keep this seat. He might have to like get a crowbar. It's too not for me. My arse doesn't fit in it.
Sort of ardent blue with a lovely rainbow glitter.
Yeah, you can sell it to someone and they'll love it. But yeah, I'm so happy to have this car back. So leave a like on the video. We've got another car back on the channel. We'll get PEX EP3 built soon as well. We just need to strong arm in and actually spending some money, doing the micro. We've got a lot going on, it's all good. And we're going to be back with some features as well soon. I'm currently searching for cars. The channel's going to start popping again, I can feel it. Everyone's kindly repping 621 shirt today. You got the Zombot one on the back, super cool. We haven't got many of those left, but yeah, cheers Morgan, appreciate it. Morg, run us through what Jack has done for you here then, because this has had quite a big amount of work done.
Well, this is going to be fun because like most of the time when I get stuff done on this, I just do a lot of things. So I don't actually know 100% everything that he's done. I kind of just turned up with a car and gave him a bunch of parts and said make it work, and then didn't speak to him for a couple of months.
Do you know who else did that?
You? What I know has been done is obviously it's got the new 2876 R, isn't it, that we're running?
2867 R Gen 2. You've got the same turbo as me, right?
Same as you. The APW manifolds, had the front mount fitted, 260 pong cams, new head gasket, ARP head studs, reflowed 750cc injectors, brine Crowler valve springs and titanium, I don't know, retainers?
Yeah.
Is that what they are? I can't even remember half the stuff I bought now.
Yeah, it's cool, man. It's going to be wicked. Is it? What horsepower is it? Same as mine?
Exactly 350.
Oh, cool. So mine's got 9.5 more horsepower than yours?
Yeah, but I'm a better driver, obviously, so,
Are you sure?
know. Yeah, let's go.
But yeah, here it is. I love this car. Maybe one day, if we can make enough money, this will be mine. If not, at least we get to enjoy it with Morgan anyway. I think the thing that I always think about your car, Morg, and you can tell me this as well, I love the no spoiler look, but I feel like my spoiler on it, the Aero spoiler, would...
Because it's a drift car, I think.
But I think it would complete the look. I think it would, I don't know, because I don't want to say complete the look, because I love that look as it is, but I don't think it would look out of place with that spoiler on it. I think it'd look good.
I prefer it without the spoiler. I think it was a factory option as well, because I've looked underneath the boot before and it's not been welded up. So it must have come from the factory.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it was just an option when you put the Aero kit, do you want the spoiler? I think that's what it probably was, but man, this is such a dope car.
I thought you were handing me gloves for a second.
I am.
Oh. Oh,
I ain't strapping it up, mate. For 2 minutes.
I'm keeping these.
How are you? So Morgan's stressing me out, so I'm gonna do it. Like, this was meant to be his job today.
Yeah, I'm official cameraman apparently. There you go. You get to be part of it now.
The videos as well.
Yeah. Should we just get a nice, like a slow close up? There we go.
Back in the gym now. Should be henching in about 6 months, so watch that. Car loaded up. Let's get this bad boy back to Morgan's house Morgan, are you happy?
I'm ecstatic.
You look it. Jack, as always, pleasure, my friend. Jay's Garage Motorsport, give him a follow. Need any work done on your car? Probably can't do it at the minute. Any dicks on your dash? If you want your car to abuse you, but he's fucked himself like an absolute moron, so he probably won't do any work for the next few weeks on it. But when he's fixed, he's definitely the only person to bring your car to around here for sure. So, right, S15 crew.
Let's get back then.
Let's get back. Jack's got this EP3 as his track car as well, and it's a pretty nice spec car, but I think it's a bit dead at the minute, so we need to kick him up the arse so we can beat him on track in this. Show you what a real Honda's all about, me, little B series. So we are now gonna head back, drop the car off, and then go back to the unit real briefly and sign out. What a fun day. Oh, so happy. How are you, Morgan? I think I'm happier than you, mate.
I think you probably are. I'll be happier once I actually get to drive it properly.
Yeah, it's sick. Friday, it's getting MOT'd so we can get out cleaned. Oh, I can't wait. We'll clean mine at the same time. Get a Silvia day. Leave me a comment down below if you're looking forward to seeing it. We are back at the unit. Car is dropped off. I didn't want to dox Morgan, who is... He's just here. Didn't want to dox Morgan, so we have finished up today for this part, but we are going to go see JM, so I'm going to take you guys with me to see what car he turns up in, really, because he gets a lot of press cars and he's got quite a lot of Ferraris now, so I think someone's doing all right. So yeah, I'll catch you at dinner. Yes, people, it is time. We are going to go see JM on cars. We're going to go have dinner with him. I've been friends with James JM on cars for a few years now. We're super nice dude, but the only way to travel is obviously in this bad boy. It's been a while since I've been out in it properly, so I thought I've cleaned it, we'll get out in this. Beautiful. Right, let's go. Finally, we are reunited, Mr. JM on cars. And look at what he's left down at my work this evening. Damn, son. So this is an F12?
This is an F12, yeah.
This is very, very nice. I think this is what Al Clark's just bought, a black one. This is pretty amazing, man. Congratulations on the newest purchase. We'll talk cars on film another day. Let's go eat, shall we?
Let's do that.
Cool. Well, people, it's only right that I finished this video in front of a Ferrari outside of my shop. Maybe one day we'll have our own on here, but we're gonna go eat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you've enjoyed it, and yeah, we'll see you again soon. Peace.